gentlemen,
Hey guys, it's it for Alaga Night here, and I'm back with another video, back with another one. Yeah, but I heard the streets want to have to turn on these BANTU nuts, but this time my BANTU nuts have a heart in the middle. Let me show you. Do y'all see? It's hearts, and I think it's really cute. In this video, I'll also be giving you guys my signature. Who do I think I am? Signature. My lip combo, and then also I'm gonna show you how I did these glossy lids, these pink glossy lids. Yeah. So if you want to see how I did this, let's keep on watching. I just want to say, when I put my armpits up, it's getting blurred out because I had a comment one time talking about how dark my underarm is, and I'm not ashamed of it, but it was kind of weird, so I don't want to get that anymore, so it's censored now. First thing I did is actually blow dry my hair. I just blow dry in 4 sections. I use shea butter, put it on the section, blow dry. And this box right here is everything I use for this tutorial. Everything I bought is from soundbeauty.com. This is not sponsored, but Sound Beauty, if you want to sponsor me, but I'm gonna show you everything I'm using for this hairstyle. This is the hair I use. I have this pack of 4 bundles from Ultra, that's the name. This one was like $6 and you get 4 bundles. For my scalp, I use Blue Magic grease. I don't care what nobody say, I still use grease in my hair because my mom used to use grease in my hair and my hair was long. Well, it wasn't long. It wasn't long, but it was healthy, okay? Then I have the Style Factor Edge Booster Styling Gel. This is in the scent Lemon Berry. I never smelled this one. Let me smell it. Then I have the pomade from the same brand, Style Factor Edge Booster. This is in the scent, you don't have a scent, but this is the thick and coarse one, just for coarser hair. I have coarser hair, so I use that. And then the last thing you need is a rubber band, and of course a comb to just part your hair. I'm going to do a part in the middle of my hair, and I'm gonna use a mirror and put it up here. That's crazy. I'm doing a heart in the middle and the mirror is a heart. The mirror is behind me so I can see what I'm doing, but I'm gonna comb up my hair before I do anything. I don't know how to really give y'all instruction for this heart, but what I'm gonna do is split my hair down the middle, see where I want my heart to start, and then kind of go in the shape of a heart, if that makes sense. Y'all can just watch me do it because I don't know how to explain. Now is when you slick your hair down. For the slicking of my hair, I'm actually using a gel. If I could prevent getting edge control like in the middle of my hair and stuff, that's what I'm gonna do. So I feel like the gel is a good option too. And I like that this gel is thicker than like Eco Styler gel. Don't shade, but it's not gonna fall out the jar, trust me. I forgot to say y'all gonna need a brush to, brush the parts down, but y'all need that. Before I do that, I'm gonna actually take out my edges because I feel like when I part my hair and then have to take the edges out, it be like, breaking my edges off. And I barely have any to begin with, so we gonna pull them out before we actually slick this hair down. Oh, that's all adult hair. I have a widow's peak too, so what I would do is take that out so I can swoop it on the side. I'm back now. I did a few in the back here just to speed up the process, but first thing you do is grab a piece of hair and I go and I loop it like how you will start a regular box braid and then start braiding it with your actual hair, like so. And once you get to the bottom of your real hair, this is when you gonna start doing the knots, because when you get to the loose part of the hair, instead of braiding it, you're gonna just twist it like so and put it in a knot. So I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. And then when you finish using all of the braid, you go ahead and twist it with your arms. I don't know what you call this, like rope twist, but you just do it like that and you keep going And you keep going. It's really simple. You just kind of wrapping the hair around itself until you get to the end. Got in my eye. You don't need a rubber band or anything to secure it. You kind of just wrap it until you can't wrap anymore, and it stays in place. So this is how it looks. Don't mind my edges. I'm about to do them.
Up a couple steps up in the bitch, get on your feet. I feel like I'm King Kong.
And I finally finished my hair. I'm gonna give y'all a 360. If that didn't come out clear enough, I'm gonna take some pictures and post it on the screen. But I'm gonna get ready quick because I wanna look cute, and then we're gonna come back for real with the finishing look. I'm not finished completely getting ready, but I wanted to show you guys my lip combo that I always use. Everybody always ask, well, not everybody. Two people ask me what's my lip combo, and I'm acting like it's everybody. We start with a black liner, and then you also use a brown liner. So what I do, take the black, and I outline my lips first of all. I don't overline my lips or anything. I just, go with a natural contour on my lips. I go with the brown and I go over that. And I also come in some more like on my lip. You gonna see when I do it. Then I go with the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Angel Fruit Cake. I used to use this one, which is Fortune Cookie. But I really like this one. So I'm gonna use this Angel Fruit Cake and I put it like in the middle. I'm gonna go with some clear lip gloss and just put it on top. And that's my lip combo. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Next thing I wanted to show you guys is my glossy lid. I'm going in with this BH Cosmetics palette. It's taking me back to Brazil. It has 35 colors. I'm gonna do a pink. It has a lot of pink. Well, not a lot, but there's pinks in there. Can you see? And I think I'm gonna use this one. Before I actually go in with the pink, I did put some a little bit by accident. I should have did this step first. Since I'm black, I need to like prime my eyes. So I use this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk, which is just white. And I put it where I want to put the eyeshadow. So let me do this side. So now that I put the base on, I'm gonna go with the eyeshadow now. So now that the eyeshadow is on and then I put on my lashes before, every time I do the glossy lids before putting on my lashes, it just doesn't work. So I have this lip gloss. It looks pink, but it's actually just clear lip gloss. Put this on the same brush that I used, like so. And then I take this and cover where I put the eyeshadow before. So. Wow. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed because I enjoyed this look. Like, I look good. You don't have to tell me. Tell me. Tell me I look good in the comments. If you guys enjoy, if you really like this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that for my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter. Everything will be down below and on the screen. I'll see you guys whenever I see you guys. Peace. Anger out.